Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about batch file. What is batch file? How this batch file works? What are the benefits of this batch file? So let's get started. Okay, so before starting, I just want to introduce about the command prompt. So what is command prompt? Command prompt is nothing, it's just like a DOS based window where you can just write some set of commands and that commands perform you the desired task. Okay, so I will show you how this command prompts work. Okay, this is our command prompt. Suppose if I want to create a folder, maybe any of the directory, then we can write some set of the commands here and we can have the desired result in that particular location or the directory. Okay, so suppose I am here in drive E and I want to create a two folder here. So I will first I have to enter to that particular drive. So how can I enter in that particular drive? The simple way, just type the drive name, which is E, and then colon, and hit enter. Now you are inside of that directory. Right now what is my task? I just want to create a folder here. So you just need to write md. Md means main directory, and if I write the name of the folder, suppose test A, hit enter. So you can see the test A folder is already there, right? If I want to get another folder, test B here, now we have another folder. This is the one way to create a folder using command prompt. Now what we are going to do, we will use the same technique using batch file. Now I'm going to close this window here, delete this folder. Now we'll create a batch file. You cannot create a batch file directly. What you have to do, you just create a text document and change the extension of the document. Instead of txt, make it to bat and rename it my first batch file and hit enter. Yes, here you can see the icon of the file has been changed, and since we have already made the correction in the extension of that file, that's why this becomes a batch file. If I want to write something inside this, you can just go and click edit, right? So what we will do, using our batch file, we'll do the same task which we were performing through the command prompt. The base of the batch file would be the command prompt. Whatever we will write in this txt document or the batch file, everything will go through the command prompt and will give you the desired result. So what I want to do, I want to create two folders inside of directory E. The name would be test A and test B. So first I need to enter in directory E and then made test A, made test B, enter. Okay, if I click this document and run the batch file, see, the document is ready. The batch file performing a task for you because you have written the command here. Now what I want to do, apart from creating a folder, what I want to do, I just want to navigate some website. So I'm just taking a simple website example, that is Google. So I'm going to navigate the Google using batch file. Okay, so what I have to do here, since we have already created the folder, so now I will use pause. Pause is nothing, it will ask you some specific key. Once you will hit that key, any of the key, then it will perform the another task. Okay, so pause, and then if I start www.google.com, hit enter, right? So I'm going to delete this and will run in one go. Okay, let me save my document, control S, and then if I hit, see, it performs the creating a folder. It has already been performed. So we have test A, test B, and is asking press any key to continue. Once I click any of the key, it will navigate the browser for me, and the browser which he choose, that would be your default browser. If your default browser is Chrome, then it will navigate the mentioned website in the default browser, maybe Chrome, Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, whatever is your default browser, right? The best thing, suppose if you are performing two different tasks and the one task is taking some time or loading the website or maybe anything, the another task will be on the hold. How? I will give you the example. Okay, so let me close it. Going back to the my batch file, so we are creating a two folder, we are navigating the website. Now I'm going to navigate a maybe any of the application in my system. So again pause and then start which application. Okay, let me navigate or launch the CRM application. Okay, so here start space and the path, let me remove these inverted commas. Okay, and then save the file, delete this folder. Now double click and then you see the magic. Since the folder is already created here, now it is going to navigate the browser and it is launching the application. So until unless the browser is not completely loaded, our application is on the backside, right? So it's launching the browser, it's navigating the CRM application. So it is one of the key application, or it is one of the key document where you can write some set of the commands to perform your certain task. If you like my video, hit like button, subscribe my channel, comment below if you need any help regarding batch file. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day.